and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to make some chicken fajitas today, really quite quick. You're going to need a mixing bowl, sliced onions, sliced bell peppers, sliced or thinly sliced breast chicken, no skin, no bone. And here, optional, I've got some other peppers which are slightly hot. You know, they're not mega hot, but got a bit of a kick to them. Optional if you want to do that. Simply going to get some garlic into that, roughly chopped garlic I like in there. Some olive oil. Some lime juice, or lemon if you wanted, but I like lime. We're then going to get some salt on that. Here I've got three things. Equal parts roughly. I've got a smoked paprika, I've got cumin, and I've got some chili flakes or chili powder. You can adjust that to how you like. Black pepper. Simply, we're going to give that a mix, then we're going to cook it. Okay, so on a flat surface or a griddle or a skillet or a pan like I'm using, just put a touch of oil in there and get it really, really nice and hot. Now here's our mixture. Now we've got way too much to put in all at once. If I put all of that in now and cook it, it's going to kind of sweat and steam, which I don't want. So I'm going to do it in a few batches. So I'm just going to grab a handful and that's enough. So 3 to 4 minutes, really, really high heat. Let's give it a mix around. It'll be ready because everything's cut really nice and thin. Okay, I've just turned the heat down because it was really raging, you wouldn't hear me. Now that's done, perfectly cooked. You can have it like that. What I'd like to do though, is just at the end, I just want to put a few bits of chopped tomato and a little bit of cilantro or coriander. So give that a mix. It's done. Let me do the rest. Okay, there we go. That's done. Very, very easy. Super tasty. Pop them into some flour tortillas. If you wanted some guacamole, however you say that, maybe some cheese, up to you. Fold it, roll it, just enjoy it. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?